Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm actually doing a makeup challenge video, and I've seen this a lot on TikTok recently, and I know it was a big thing on YouTube a while ago, but I didn't do it then. I don't think I was actually on YouTube then. I can't remember. But anyway, that is to use one palette and a random number generator, and each number that it chooses is the eyeshadow that I should use for each part. So I'm going to choose a 5, and they are going to be the crease, lid, outer corner, inner corner and bottom line. That's not it. Bottom lash line. That's what I was looking for. And then this is the palette I'm using. This is from Smashbox and it's the Cover Shot Sunlit Yellow Palette, and I just got this, but I absolutely love this front cover. That is so much fun. But I just got this. I haven't tried it at all yet. So these are the colours inside. And I really hope I get this yellow one because I really want to try it. But yeah, there's sort of a few colours. There's darker ones, lighter ones, couple of shimmers. So I just thought it'd be a really good eyeshadow just to have a go with. For the numbers, I'm going to do 1, 2 and then along here. So to start with, I've already done my base makeup and my brows as I'm only doing the eyeshadow. And depending on the eyeshadow is what lip colour I use, because obviously I don't know what's going to go with it. So there are 8 colours in this palette, so on the generator I'm doing max 8, and then go press generate. So number 5 is going to be the crease, so 2, 3, 4. So that is this shade here, this like golden shade, so I'm going to put that in the crease. And I'm just going to use this brush from Barry M. It's so old, but this is literally one of my favourite brushes. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's not really a crease shade, but we'll make it work. But these are so pigmented. Like, I'm only picking up the tiniest bit on the brush. Like, can you just see that colour? That is just beautiful. I really hope I get that yellow because it will go so well. That's just a gorgeous colour, and there's no like fallout in the palette at all. Like you see, it's still perfectly clean. There's literally no fallout. You don't get any fallout off the brush, which is incredible. And yeah, the colour is just gorgeous. That'll do for now with that colour. And I've actually just realised I still have the plastic on the mirror. So satisfying. But anyway, now this next one is for the lid. Ooh. 4. So the lid is this, it's like a browny yellowy kind of colour, and that is going on my lid. So, and for this I'm using the MAC 217S brush, not palette, brush. Ooh, that's lovely. So I'm just going to put this all over my lid. I have a feeling these colours are just going to blend together and not really show much, to be honest. I mean, and to be honest, normally I would have done these colours the opposite way around. I would have normally done the matte colour, which is this one I'm using now, as the crease, and then this other one is the middle, but you know, that's actually a really nice colour. It's quite similar to one out of an Anastasia palette that I have. I think it's out of Subculture, I think. But it's quite similar to that. And I would say the formula of it is pretty similar as well, actually. I'm just going to go back in with that first shade and just blend it in a bit, because I feel like I've lost a bit of the shimmer on this side, just a little bit. And now for the bottom lash line. 7. So that is this teal colour here. That is gorgeous. I wouldn't have thought to put it with this, but that's what we've got. And I'm just using this little tiny brush. I think this is actually off eBay, but it was in a set and I actually really like the brushes. Ooh. Once again, not much fallout. Okay, that's different. I don't really know what else I can say. Not what I would have gone for, but I'm also not the best at doing my under eyes, so you'll have to excuse if it doesn't look brilliant. Yeah, that's different. Anyway, we're going to go for the outer corner. Oh, please let me get that colour. I think it just needs something just to sort of darken up so it goes in with it. So, generate 2. Oh, 2's the yellow. Why couldn't I have that before? And I'm actually just going to go in with the same brush because why not? Ooh. Oh, that's a bit more powdery, but oh my god, that is pigmented. Like, that's not showing up on camera how pigmented that is. I'm not putting a lot under this because I don't really need it, but I just want to use more colours, to be fair. Going back in with that very first shade as well, just on the same brush. Just sort of blend out these outer corners and blend into that green, teal, whatever colour it is at the bottom. And now for the inner corner. This is just a crazy look. And I'm sorry if the lighting's gone weird. It's like either raining or snowing, I'm not entirely sure. this is the oddest look. Right, this is the brown with gold shimmer flakes in it, and that's going on my inner corner. A very odd look. And I'm using the Look Good Feel Better brush, and it's actually a concealer brush, but I use it for eyeshadow. Just a little bit on my thing. Put it there, and then I'll blend it out in a second. These are so pigmented, these eyeshadows though. Okay, I put way more on one eye than the other. I really did not need brown on the end. Look how ridiculous that looks. Why has it gone so bad on this eye? Can you hear that? That is the rain. I'm very glad I'm not outside right now. But I'm sorry if you can hear it, because I'm filming right by a window. I need a bit more of this green because it's not showing up as much as I would like it to. Seeing as it's there, I might as well go all out. One of the weirdest eyeshadow looks I've ever done. Now, do I do eyeliner? Can I be bothered? Yeah. That is it with that palette. I actually really like this palette. I have these, oh, it's got the names on the back and I didn't even realise. I know these colours, they don't look very wearable, but even though these colours don't really go, it actually looks okay. So I'm quite surprised, but these are so pigmented. So if you could get your hands on one of these, I would definitely recommend it. I think they also had two others. They had one that was more blue and one that was more orangey coppery, so kind of like these two colours. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes. Oh, I hate doing this. Hate it. I also don't know what colour lipstick to put on, because it needs something. Maybe it's a nude? I don't know. Oh my god, I look so pale right now. And for mascara, I'm using the Smashbox Super Fan Amp Mascara. I actually really like this. I got it for Christmas and I've used it so much. So that is the mascara done. I actually think that makes the look so much better. And now for lips, I'm going for MAC Persistence lipstick. So that is this one. So it's like a browny orangey kind of colour. I'm not very good at describing colours, so you just have to sort of go with it. But this is a MAC no, it is MAC, but it's also matte. So I'm just going to line my lips and then put that on as well. This is my finished look using a random number generator with one palette, and it's not actually that bad. Like, it wouldn't be something that I would choose, especially the green under your eyes. It's not actually that bad. Who would think orange and green would go quite so well together? But yeah, I actually quite like it. And I am so impressed with that palette, like I was saying. They're so pigmented, there wasn't any fallout, they weren't powdery, came out well, and yeah, I'm actually really impressed. So I think I might have to buy some more palettes from Smashbox now, because it's actually a really handy size as well. Like, that size of it is not particularly big, and it's got a mirror in. I love a palette that has a mirror. You'll have to let me know what you think of this, and would you like me to turn it into like a little series? I have so many palettes that I could try this with. You also have to let me know if you have ever tried this, as you really don't know what look you're going to get. Who knows what colours are going to get chosen. But yeah, I really like this, and I'm quite impressed with the random numbers choosing these eyeshadows. That made no sense, but you know exactly what I mean. So I hope you liked this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you did. And like I said, let me know if you would like me to do this with some other palettes as well. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye!